is a decentralized oracle based on Ethereum that connects non-blockchain systems to blockchain networks. The idea behind Chainlink was born in 2017. Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis put the network together. However, the original Chainlink white paper was co-authored by Ellis, Nazarov, and Cornell University professor Aris Juels. The white paper's premise was that smart contracts would revolutionize the world, but they had one critical problem. The problem is that the consensus mechanisms of smart contracts stopped them from directly connecting with off-chain data. Ellis, Nazarov, and Juels argued that this limited the functionalities of smart contracts. The lack of connectivity meant smart contracts could not rely on data from key resources outside the blockchain. Hence, the capacity of these contracts was hobbled by their lack of information gathering capacity. The solution the white paper suggests is the creation of an oracle. This oracle, the paper argued, would provide outside connectivity to on-chain smart contracts. The white paper also argued that Chainlink wouldn't be just a connecting oracle, it would be a decentralized one as well. This allows the tamper-proof and independent quality of smart contracts to be extended to their connection to non-blockchain environments. The white paper notes that smart contracts can only reliably replace digital agreements if made externally aware. In essence, Chainlink would make it possible for smart contracts to respond to external events through a decentralized conduit. So, 2 years after Nazarov, Ellis, and Juels wrote the paper, the Chainlink network finally came online. The proposal in Chainlink's white paper isn't the first of its kind. Certain smart contracts cannot work without oracles. Oracles, in this case, are real-time data feeds that provide data from the internet to the blockchain. However, before Chainlink, these data feeds were centralized pipelines. This means that they could be hacked by bad actors and are generally susceptible to the dangers of centralized systems. Additionally, using smart contracts and then relying on centralized oracles makes smart contracts no more secure than traditional digital contracts. Chainlink's important contribution to crypto is to decentralize this information pipeline. This removes any chance of error or external hack and makes smart contracts safer and more efficient for everyone. Now, one big problem for crypto projects is the lack of use cases. Chainlink is unique because it has ready-made use cases which are stablecoins, decentralized finance, and yield farming. You can read in high detail about each and every use case in the DailyCoin article linked below in the description. Now, before Chainlink was launched, it needed to solve its hardware problem. To solve that problem, Nazarov and Ellis partnered with TownCryer, an execution environment-based blockchain tool. Through the partnership of TownCryer and Chainlink, smart contracts can always be executed with highest quality information from diversified and decentralized sources. This reduces occurrences of error and allows smart contracts to truly revolutionize digital contracts. Now, Chainlink has grown tremendously ever since it came online in 2019. The company reached astronomical heights in 2021 during the crypto bull market. In 2021, the network surpassed a $75 billion total secured value figure. The same year, Chainlink expanded the scope of the data it was supplying. The network added proof of supply, proof of reserve, Ethereum gas data, election race calls, compliance metrics, total market cap, and sports game results. As a result, the network expanded the type of projects it could be integrated with. This exponential increase meant Chainlink integrated projects now covered a significant portion of the total value locked in the DeFi projects. 2022 was an extraordinary year for Chainlink as well. The company surpassed $6.9 billion in transaction value enabled and added more than 600 projects to its 1,000 projects figure from 2021. And finally, Sergey Nazarov announced at a conference in 2022 that Chainlink now ran over 60% of all Oracle computations for decentralized apps. As Chainlink grew, so did its opportunities to provide even more services to the decentralized economy. Chainlink realized that decentralized projects didn't have a reliable source of randomness. On-chain randomness is a subject to block withholding attacks, while off-chain randomness requires a high level of trust. Chainlink created the verifiable randomness function to solve this problem. With each query, Chainlink creates a random number and provides a cryptographic proof of how it was generated. This ensures that true randomness is created and outcomes are truly the product of blind luck. Despite this level of success, Chainlink still believes it can grow further and faster. That's why the company recently announced Chainlink Economics 2.0. Nazarov says Chainlink 2.0 will allow members of the Chainlink community to commit linked tokens to smart contracts. According to Chainlink's staking roadmap, the long-term goal of Chainlink staking is to create a multi-chain smart contract economy. The smart contract economy would support multi-trillion-dollar markets across major global industries. Now, on the flip side, Chainlink may be decentralized, but the network is still depending on Ethereum. Any problem with the Ethereum network will immediately spill over to Chainlink. Let's hope that never happens. Chainlink is the leading Oracle provider in the decentralized ecosystem. It's a big player in Web3, and it's important to understand how it works, why it works, and what its future may look like. Until next week.